Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday, and I was supposed to do a lot of work to the car today, but the rain beat me to it. So I finally made it over here. It's about 1:30. I'm gonna see if I could get the engine out today, or if not, get it, just about ready to pull out tomorrow. The rain shouldn't really affect me too bad. I'm under a cover, but I just don't like, working around when it's wet. Yesterday we got a good bit done. As you can see, I got the whole front end pretty much apart. I just have the electrical and a couple bolts here and there to pull out, and then I should be able to get this engine out. But I'll go ahead and start getting to work. A little update on the progress we've made so far. I got a lot of the stuff all down here, all unhooked. The only thing that was hooked up here was wiring for the starter. My oil cooler was hooked in that area right here, and then up here the alternator. Obviously, I got some fuel lines disconnected from right here, and on the other side, the turbo clamp for the downpipe off. I got the rigging already set to pull the engine out. I believe all I have left to do on this side is disconnect these couple of wires right here. That's for the distributor, that's my throttle position sensor, and on the bottom I already got the shift linkage out of the car. It's sitting on the floor right there. And take off the U-joint for the drive shaft, and I have to take off the reverse light sensor, and I think there's one more thing the actual bracket that holds the transmission on. You gotta take that off, obviously. I'm gonna try and use the tractor to pull this out. I got just a regular shackle right here. I believe it's a 7/8 shackle. Well guys, thanks for watching my video. I know I didn't end up getting the engine pulled out yesterday. The rain ended up coming in on me, and I forgot a set of my wrenches at the house. So next week I'm going to try this again, and I got my buddy coming up next weekend. Me and him are going to tackle it. Hopefully we'll get the engine pulled out, get everything ready for paint. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.